Can Django handle multiple databases effectively? Have you ever wondered if Django can manage multiple databases without a hitch? Well, you are in for a treat. Let's break down how Django handles this task seamlessly. First off, Django has built-in support for multiple databases, which means you can easily work with more than one database in a single project. This flexibility is a game changer for backend developers. To get started, you need to configure your databases in the settings file. You will add entries to the database's dictionary, where each entry contains the connection details for a different database. This setup is straightforward and allows you to define as many databases as you need. Next, let's talk about database routers. Django uses these routers to decide which database to use for different operations. A router is simply a Python class that has methods to determine the right database for reading, writing, or handling relationships. This means you can keep certain data tied to a specific database or distribute queries based on your application's needs. When it comes to querying, Django's object relational mapper supports specifying which database to use. You can do this by using the using database name method on your queries. This explicit control helps maintain clarity and consistency when working with multiple data sources. Now, if you are thinking about the Django admin interface, it does not natively support multiple databases. However, you can customize admin classes to specify which database to use for saving, deleting, and querying data. This involves overriding methods like saveModel, deleteModel, and getQuerySet to point to the desired database. Testing is also a breeze with Django. It supports testing across multiple databases, which is essential for ensuring your application behaves correctly with different data stores. There are practical applications for using multiple databases. For instance, you might want to separate read and write operations to boost performance. You could also integrate legacy databases alongside newer ones or distribute data based on geographical locations or business domains. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. Django does not support relationships across databases, meaning foreign keys cannot span multiple databases. Additionally, you need to handle migrations carefully to maintain schema consistency across your databases. Some third-party Django applications may also require extra configuration to work with multiple databases. Overall, Django's support for multiple databases is designed to be accessible and straightforward. It provides clear mechanisms for configuring, routing, and operating on various databases within the same project. This makes it a fantastic choice for backend development, especially when working with APIs and server-side logic.